Hello guys, welcome to your favorite channel. My name is Fimber, and today we will be talking about something different, that's creating a drop-down menu. Drop-down menu is quite important to mobile application apps and website apps, so we'll be trying to do something simple today. So what we'll be doing first is we'll be doing the drop-down menu for states. Yes, whereby you have to pick which state you're from while applying or while registering for a certain website or on a certain platform. Okay, so here we go. Right now I am currently fixing this. Okay, so the text tool was used here. After the text tool was used, I made it into an auto layout frame. After that, I spaced it a little bit for it to contain whatever text that will be inputted into it. And the corner radius is being set. The corner radius is being set, and I have picked the shape, the polygon shape, which will be used exactly. So now this polygon shape is being rotated and will be moved to the extreme end by the right. Yes, so I'm trying to change the color, the font color, to something black, not exactly black, but shade of black. So right now I'm duplicating. Yes, I am duplicating because I want to fill the remaining state. So first I take out that polygon shape because I won't be needing it anymore there, and I change this to one of the states that I will be picking, which is Lagos. So Lagos will be the first state in the option of the drop down menu. So I'm filling it. The text area is being filled, and it's been duplicated. Another state will be entered in here, and the radiuses are being worked on. The corner radiuses are being worked on. If you can see, it's not quite the same with the one up, so I'm changing the state that I'm putting in here. So I'm putting in Abuja because I wouldn't want it being the same state as that of Lagos. I duplicated the next one and inputted Cross River. Also doing the same duplicate to pick another state, and this will have river state in it. Yeah, so we have 4 states, and I'll be working on the corner radius here. Okay, so it's now all set, all in white background. So I'm taking out the stroke. Okay, now I'm about making it a component. Yes, so it's now been made a component in order to be able to house whatever interactions we're going to be doing on it. After making the component, I duplicated, so I'll be making some kind of adjustment and some kind of workings to it. So just pay attention closely so you won't miss any details. Okay, so I moved the opacity. I made it. All right, so I'm taking that off completely. Now note I did not delete it. I only worked on the pass through. Yes, and I'm duplicating several other things to give room for interactions. Okay. So what I'm about to do here right now is to make this 3 selected states invisible, and make the text area there also invisible. Not the yes, so I'm taking it out invisible, then moving this option yes into the text, into the box over there. so it aligns well. And now I'm checking the distances between each, making sure everything is quite the same. And I will be taking out the polygon because I won't be needing it there. And now same here, I'm taking out the polygon right here, and I'm also selecting okay, so I'm making Lagos invisible. Yes, I'm taking it out, not deleting though, but just making it invisible. Same thing goes to, I'm reducing the opacity for Cross River and the River State. And here I'm also taking out the fill. Now I'm moving this option up, the component up, or the variant rather. I'm moving it up into the text area, into the field, so it will sit on it perfectly. Same thing is being applied here, but the state that will be picked is Cross River, so every other state is going off. Another duplicate is made because I realized one of the states is missing. So I'm making it invisible, and I'm making this opacity reduced. Yes, I'm taking out the fill color there, taking it out completely. And once it's been taken out completely, then this option is being moved up. The variant is being moved up, just like I've done every other ones before it. And same thing happens to this next one, or to the last variant. I clear this out, make it invisible. Okay, so that is that for River State, which is the last state. And now I move this frame over here for easy access, and the prototype stage. Okay, this kind of tricky, and it needs lots of calculator work. So on click, we'll move the prototype. It changes to the second variant 2. Pardon me for not renaming the variant. Yeah, so variant 2, smart animate, ease in. Now once you click this back, it takes you back to the main component, to the default component. Yes, okay, so it's just like you clicking this and you clicking back. It's more like a looping stuff. Yes, so once you click on Lagos, it takes you down to variant 3, and variant 3 gives you the option of selecting just Lagos. And once you click on Lagos back, the option for Lagos back, it takes you back to variant 2. Pardon me. Now these things are more like the same thing. All you just need to do is make sure it's well calculated. And as you can see, I left the smart animate on, and at 300 milliseconds. So same thing goes for Cross River. Cross River comes and back. Yes, so it's more like a smooth interaction between these states. Then you do this too, and you click on, when you click on this option, reverse, it takes you back. So this is basically it. And we move to our assets panel. We drag our component, drag it down to the frame. We'll set the frame color. Once we set the frame color, okay, as you can see, the frames look quite the same. The component and the frame looks quite the same, so we work on the color. We'll make one darker than the other. Probably we will work on the frame itself, so make it a little bit grayer, or gray rather, pardon that error. And we play it, we prototype it, and you see what the end result will be. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so I click on select state and it brings down the drop button. Yes, it brings down the state, and you click on Lagos, click back on the okay, you can see just exactly how the interaction goes. Okay, you click on Abuja, click down back on Abuja, it takes you down. Same thing happens when you do to Cross River and you do to Rivers State. Very importantly, do not forget to like and subscribe for you to get more important, beautiful content on our channel. Have a lovely day.